What's going on, family? Black Finish checking in. We are at one of the houses that we like. We got two more to check out, but this one right here is pretty cool. It's a corner lot, cooler neighborhood, little working neighborhood. Ain't bad at all for what they got. There's a couple things that we'll want to get addressed or fixed, but you know, if we choose this one. But I love the car garage, bro. The garage in here is so big. That's our small fab shop, and we can really get some money out this thing. So that was one of the things that caught my attention. I was like, you know what, I can still eat with this. And it even got a nice the backyard you can't drive in, but it got a side door. I'm gonna let you check some of this out. I really like this old-fashioned living room, the way this is made with the brick. I think that's a dope area to chill at, and you can watch the kids, you know, watch the grandbabies out there play, you know what I'm saying? So that's dope. And the rooms ain't like stupid big, you know, they're just normal size. I think these are the two smaller ones.
They just need to come in and do a few things.
There's just a few things they need to do, but it ain't bad, man. You know, see my little office over there if I choose to pick it. And here goes two more rooms. Bathroom. Like I say, it's an older house, but it is it's laid out. It ain't bad. I really like this. This sold me, and let me show you what sold me, because this room right here goes into the garage. And as you see, it's a nice garage. Can you see my fab shop? The beginning of HogOn, Welding starting in this house. Yeah, so it ain't bad at all. Like, I really think that it's an opportunity we can actually make a few things happen, man. In here, doesn't look bad. I can deal with this. Like I say, my wife can actually still bring her vehicle in when we're not doing, you know, doing no work, and I can lay it out and push stuff over. So this is a nice setup, though. We can get some money out of here starting out, especially building our products, getting everything off the ground. Start at the house first, you know what I mean, and then move on into the building. But this is a good ground zero spot to get all my stuff done. So. But this is cool, though. I think this is cool. So, family, we're about to get ready to go check out another one. Let's go see what we got. So, we're going to go check out another one, and we out. Hold on.